Welcome to this video on Synergy and its relationship to program management. After watching this video, you will be able to define synergy, explain the value of synergy in relation to a program success, discuss strategies to encourage synergistic relationships. Making use of synergy, you can unite efforts and create an aligned program management component structure that optimizes benefits by balancing effectiveness and efficiency. The Project Management Institute, PMI, defines synergy as the continual evaluation and navigation of component complexities and dependencies for optimization across the program, creating more than what was achieved by its individual component parts. When you establish synergistic relationships, you can think of the sum of the results of your team's effort as an imbalanced math equation, 1 + 1 = 3. The results of combined efforts increase substantially more than with the results of those efforts individually. Let's consider how synergy can positively impact program success and realize benefits. Synergy enhances resource utilization by optimizing the use of resources across different program components. By realistically evaluating and managing the interdependencies between these components, you can leverage resources such as time, money, and person power more efficiently. This avoids redundancy and allows you to allocate resources where you need them most. A synergistic environment creates increased value. Because the collective outcome often exceeds the sum of individual results, the increased value can manifest as improved performance, higher quality deliverables, and greater stakeholder satisfaction. Synergy helps identify and manage the common risks across different program components. When you cross-functionally manage complexities well, you can implement strategies to mitigate risks across the program rather than component by component. This leads to smoother execution and increases the likelihood of meeting the program's strategic goals. Continual evaluation and navigation of component complexities and interdependencies enable well-informed decision-making. When you understand these dependencies, you can readily see the bigger picture, understand the broader implications of decisions, and, therefore, make choices that benefit the entire program rather than individual projects. Synergy ensures that all program components align with the organization's overarching strategic goals. This alignment helps achieve strategic objectives effectively, so each component works towards common goals, reinforcing the overall strategic direction. Now that you understand the benefits of synergy, let's discuss ways to encourage synergistic relationships among program components and team members. PMI shares several of these strategies, including managing program frameworks, managing change, fostering a positive culture, navigating complexity effectively, and ensuring goal alignment. Let's discuss each of these strategies in a hypothetical context. For example, the fictional healthcare organization, Integrative Care Alliance, has a program implementing a new electronic health record system, EHR, across the alliance. This program has multiple components, including regulatory compliance, system customization, data migration, and training. You will want to analyze these components to determine which management framework works best. These frameworks allow you to plan and execute components based on balancing the often competing forces between technical complexity and stakeholder agreement with expected benefits and deliverables. You may find that a traditional predictive approach, such as waterfall, serves the training program best. Alternatively, an adaptive approach, such as Scrum, may make more sense for the technically complex electronic record system, customization, or a hybrid approach that applies the framework situationally for compliance. Establishing a program change management process provides a framework for flexibility and accountability. Your program may need an unforeseen component. Hypothetically, in the data migration component of our EHR example, you may not have planned for data quality assurance, and during the course of migrating your data, you find error-ridden data that needs extensive cleansing. With a change management process in place, you avoid confusion by providing a clear process to quickly spin up this new component so this one doesn't block others. Foster a culture in the organization to allow synergy to emerge. This includes encouraging collaborations within each team and cross-functionally, Provide methods enabling open communication and continuous improvement. This will establish trust among your stakeholders and optimize resource utilization. Continually evaluate and navigate component complexities for optimization across the program. For example, in the Integrative Care Alliance program, the program managers and component managers continually evaluate complexities. Establishing regular assessments of interoperability for the new EHR system with existing systems makes addressing the challenges related to implementation easy and ensures components can adapt to feedback. Another key strategy to foster synergy includes alignment among the program management plan, the strategic initiatives, and the expected benefits defined in the program business case. In our EHR example, the Integrative Care Alliance defines a strategic goal to improve patient care quality and access. As a result, the program manager established key performance indicators, KPIs, in the program management plan to measure program success in relation to this objective. These KPIs serve as an objective benchmark for everyone in the program to measure their successes in relation to the overall program. In this video, you learned that, according to PMI, synergy creates a sum achievement greater than the efforts produced through individual program components by continuous evaluation and navigation of interrelated component complexities. The benefits of a synergistic environment include enhanced resource utilization, increased value creation, risk mitigation, improved decision-making, and strategic alignment. Strategies to foster synergy include choosing appropriate program management frameworks, establishing change management processes, enabling a culture of collaboration, effectively navigating complexities, and appropriately aligning strategic initiatives with expectations.